it going? I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required reminder on your 2015 Lexus ls460. It's actually pretty simple. What you're going to end up doing is you're going to end up using the trip button you have right here, and you're going to need to set the trip on trip A. Okay, the car is running right now, and what we're going to do is we're going to turn it off. Okay, and I'm going to hit the stop button 2 times with my foot off the brake. I don't want the car to start, but while I'm doing that, I'm going to hold the reset button here. Okay, so I'm holding it down. 1, 2, car's not running, and it's resetting the maintenance data. It's pretty simple. With most Toyotas, you're going to hit the trip button and hold it down, but with this Lexus, you're actually going to hold down the reset button. Okay, now it's done. The indicator here is reset. With this vehicle, you also have to reset it here. Okay, you're going to need to go to setup and scroll over and go to vehicle. Okay, maintenance. And then if any of these are red, you're going to have to pick them and go into them and reset them. Like, none of these are red right now, so they're not going to show me, but you have to go in and reset these. And that's pretty much it. Well, I hope this information was useful, and if it was, do me a favor, leave me a comment or hit that thumbs up button for me. You guys, thank you a whole lot. Goodbye.